收到啦。
講翻好似有個衞生。
咩啊？好多錢？
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
嗯，清楚。OK， 各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊！
He's only.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨？
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情況右邊
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦，路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走甩啊！截住佢！
好傷害我啊 ！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
喺我面前，我亂嚟啊
Let's go! Let's go!
Come on! Oh, what's the next? You see anyone? I think they're after Wu! Crazy fuck! Shit! Run! Run! Stay with me! Come on! Hurry up! Come on! Come on! Are you crazy? Keep moving! Keep going! What's with these guys? 啱啱佢突發都冇係咁。Son of a bitch!
Kiddo，唔好喐，捉住佢，捉住佢，唔好俾佢走啦！抓佢，捉住佢，走唔到啦！聽過，快你！抓佢，捉住佢，走唔到啦！聽過。警察，咪喐！我哋而家要拘捕你。
Come on, we can work something out, right?
唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講。但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，即係成為呈堂證供。你明白？
Hey man, I told you next week，下個禮拜 OK？OK？
點解你同我講埋呢啲嘢啊？唔掂咁樣出嚟行啦
It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit, Jackie Ma.
It is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait, man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you. 15 years to do that. We're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old, but good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
That was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but you remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Ye. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Red Pole and the Sun On Ye. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. And still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
Yeah, it was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. He'll fucking love it. Man, Wei fucking Shen in the flesh. I can't believe it. Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him...
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. It'll just be like old times.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
You might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Ye is the most powerful gang...
Look, Raymond. Your name is Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, good luck out there.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Wei Shen? Man, this is gonna be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah.
I had no idea my boss was that kind of guy. Yeah, that's right.
So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. But Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole, too. One thing. When we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
So why all the paranoia?
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Well, don't get going. Hey, Jiu Mei, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
呢條契弟，我今日就收你皮。
Leave him alone!
淆底就認，打就企定。
I'm gonna call the cops!
哼！你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊？
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Stop it!
Get off him! I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
我話你知咩叫反切分啊！我覺得你搞錯咗啊！
Kidding me?
你死硬啊！
Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
仆街死撚緊啊！佢點走？
睇狗平平啊！
Come on.
Was it close, man? Please. 死咁老豆啊！幾驚啊！點啊？好撚驚啊！腳軟咧！死咁老豆啊！
Fuck you！
I'm still here. Come and get me.
Damn, Wayne. What did they do to you in America, man?
That looked nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from old prosperity. Like us. Hochi all day. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Old prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
I've been on vacation. You know, Jackie said you were looking for people.
哦 Jackie 話嘅。
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wade just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
係咩？
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢嚇 ？Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker. Wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊？
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shan. I remember her. Hung out with Dog Eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎。Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊。So, 10 guys, huh? You feel this? They're just crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Way with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about. Hey, you think you can fight?
You like that?
I bet you fall at the first punch. Come on, dude. Don't go easy on him.
How about that?
See that? What do you guys think? Sounds right.
That all you got?
Come on, Conroy. You can get him.
You think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets real. Wipe that smile off your face.
Hello, boys.
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓。
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, Dog Eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
This way. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls with Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. So what?
Way's her brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, Wei, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, Dog Eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, he is. He used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not Dog Eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. 冇問題.
And you fuck up anybody who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
This will be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Mimi? Yeah, she OD'd years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit, but...
That sucks. She was, you know, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country. The hooks went deep.
Hey, big man.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, once she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking Dog Eyes.
You gonna tell Winston?
No. You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's my best friend, man. When we were kids, he means more than a boss, you know?
Hey, big man. You want some new clothes? You want to put
Sounds good.
Thanks. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we did.
Hey, you! You hungry, huh? Come here!
Hey, come on in. Hey, come on in. I got special deal for you. Right here for you. 我呢度啲衫全部外地進口，質少上乘啊。Hey, all brands here are real. I got special supplier. 叉燒飯。
我呢邊最正嘅 noodles come。
Am I invisible? Hey, sexy man. Hey, man. You want noodles?
Hey, buddy. 來啦，come check it out.
裝錯咗啊！我一定唔會放過你啊！
Come on, good suit. You need a good suit.
You want games? I got it.
Hey, man, hey! Come take a look! 來啦！
Hey, CDs! All the best CDs here!
Hey, veggies! You want veggies?
Joey Kwan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, sexy man. You want new clothes? Why don't you let me dress you?
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course, no problem.
Come on in. I got special deal for you.
You need anything? Just come ask.
No, this is gonna piss Dog Eyes off. At some point, Winston and Dog Eyes are gonna clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes. Just like the movies, man.
Nice supple fish. Very fun.
Use a new shirt, man. I set you up. Best clothes in the
Susie, supple fish. 好食啊！多收益。呢個要。
All Hollywood
我啦，all the best brands。
前房最平啊！前房最平啊！低到保證買到真係益街坊，半價賣晒就冇。公司跳樓飯，
You want ice cream? You look like you could use a little.
整到我啊！你以為
Hey, you want a little refreshment? I got good ice cream here.
我呢度啲衫全部外地進口？
Hey, you wanna do the talking?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Guy said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we use to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
I will pay.
點會諗到咁㗎？
買一送一，前所未有咁着數啊！
Glad I can make you see reason.
Take the money. Dog I won't be happy.
好停啊！
清貨大減價，唔買就蝕底啦！
Dude, I think you killed him.
He'll be fine. He'll just have to drink through a straw for a while.
Over here. I think this guy's with Dog Eyes.
work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay up, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory. Come on, guys! Kick his ass!
我今日你搞錯咗啊！
Show what you made of!
你救我嚟啊！咁解大佬尾。
This isn't good! Beat that punk! Come on! Get back up!
屌你老母啊！
換季要做咩啊？梗係嚟我度買衫啦！
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there.
A man who never eats pork buns is never.
Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that old man. That ain't gonna fly on our turf. Wait, come on. I got your back.
大佬，唔好殺我啊！
你有冇攞籌啊？
You don't fuck with anyone under our protection.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug habit or something.
For a small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
全部新鮮翻㗎，埋嚟睇啦！
Man, we need to get you out here. Over here.
有手水心係好，但係做嘢做到冇時間全部本地菜。
People need to know you're one of us. You got an image to maintain. Only the best brands. You gotta know you're successful.
Clothes make the man, huh?
Definitely. It's all about the clothes, man. You know how it is. People judge you by how you look.
Why don't you have a pork bun in your hand? A man who never eats pork buns is never a whole man.
益街坊，益街坊，唔好話我冇同事啊！
These are the latest.
做咩啊？梗係嚟我度買衫啦！
Close here. That will be fine. I wouldn't buy this shit either.
Let's get back to Winston.
街坊價錢真係講都冇人信咁抵啊！前所未有咁着數啊！全港獨家，要買齊。
Oh, that was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie!
Hey, want to tell Hey what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up.
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you, don't fuck with me.
Right, right. 名牌款式，街坊價錢，真係講都冇人信咁抵啊！哇！半價，買晒就好。開倉大減價，全場貨品低至7折啊！
Can you do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcements. They should probably be gone before they get here.
點解呢度冇晒貨㗎？
Hey, veggie! You want veggies? 芥蘭啊！要啲芥蘭。
做鬼咯！喂，做咩啊？叉燒包。
Hey, you!
叉
You
燒。
hungry, huh? Come here!
Hey, all brands here are new.
The new guy around?
'This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.